This is a cat recovery collar that's fully fabric and it has an adjustable string right here so it'll fit most size cats. And then it also has a little slit here at the bottom. I'll show you what it looks like on her, but this is great for after surgery or if you're preventing them to lick for any reason. I really like this versus other ones because you don't have to worry about air leakage if you have one of those that blow up, or if maybe those really uncomfortable plastic cone collars that no animal likes. This is a really great option. It is water resistant. It has a really nice down stuffing in the middle, so it's soft all the way around. It has a cute pattern on it, so it's actually a little stylish for your kitty cat. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. It's secured to her neck. It's not obstructing her view. I like how soft it is, so she's able to get in small spaces. Like if she had to go in and out of her litter box, it would be easily moved, bend back and forth, unlike those plastic collars where it would just catch on door frames and their litter boxes and their food bowls. And this is like so easily, she can even eat her food when she's wearing this. So if you're looking for an alternative to a after recovery collar, or any way you might use something like this, I really recommend checking this one out. So yeah, check this one out. We strongly recommend it.